Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherGuard aluminum Defender Series truck rack. Let's get into it. All right, this is a pretty cool product. It comes in kind of this retail packaging, if you will. Shows you all the features and benefits and so on. Fits all size trucks, as well as compact trucks, different bed lengths, things like that. But it's an aluminum truck rack. It's kind of on the lighter side. It can hold up to 800 pounds. But they make a more heavy duty versions of this as well. But this is a simple install, simple product that ticks all the boxes if you just need something simple to carry some ladders around or various cargo. Okay, right on the top here, we do have some installation instructions. Looks like it's sealed in a bag, so it's not gonna get wet. Anything like that. Looks like it tells you everything that you need in the box in terms of what should be in there, your hardware kit, and the tools that you're gonna need. The only tools you need is a 9/16 inch wrench and a Phillips screwdriver and some scissors, probably to get the manual out of the box or out of the bag. We do have some weather stripping right here. Looks like some self-adhesive backing on it. Looks like we do have some type of a rubber seal. Something right here. This is probably some hardware boxes, which we can get into a little later. 3 of them. Looks like these might be some uprights made out of aluminum, extruded here. Got some pre-drilled mounting locations right there, so it's gonna be pretty simple attaching this. Looks like there's a channel built in as well, so potentially some adjustability in there, as well as maybe being able to mount some accessories to it. We've got 4 of these, which makes me think 2 uprights per crossbar, and then we're gonna have our crossbar right here again, extruded aluminum. This is kind of like I'd consider it a matte black finish, not super glossy. Let's go ahead and get into hardware box number 1. Looks like we have some rubber pads right here. 4 of them. This may go beneath the feet, or looks like these might be mounting feet. I've been wrong before in these videos, so wait until you get to the installation before making too many judgments, which we're gonna be installing this on the truck behind me. If you're interested in how this gets installed, go ahead and watch that video. There's another foot here. Does have the WeatherGuard Defender Series name built in. 4 of them. There's some plastic spacers or something. Hardware box number 2. This one's a little bit heavier. Looks like we have a decent bag of hardware right here. Some hex bolts, button head bolts, lock nuts, some washers. Nothing really specialty. It looks like they do give you like 3 different sized Allen wrenches. If you don't have one, they give you one. Another one here. This looks like it might be stainless hardware or galvanized. Little hex head bolts. Little aluminum pieces right here. 4 of them. Make that 8. Then this looks like it might go underneath a mounting foot, maybe on the top of the bed rail. 2, 3, 4 of these. And our 3rd and final box right here. Like some additional hardware. We have some slider nuts. Again, this is all extruded aluminum, so you got plenty of channels in here, so sure there's some adjustment, and that's why this works with so many different vehicles, is because you can adjust the width of these, you can adjust forward and backwards, and things like that. More aluminum pieces in here. Looks like we do have some Loctite included as well. Got some ladder stops. These are a composite material. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. It looks like it does have kind of a flange or lips on there so they can slide into your crossbars like so. And assuming there's some hardware, that's gonna go with these hand knobs for tightening these down. Looks like they do have a built-in eye hole for strapping things to. And we got 4 of these hand knobs. And then we've got 4 of these guys. These must be, maybe they sit underneath where the crossbar and the uprights meet. Give it some strength. Aluminum. And that just about does it for the unboxing. So a lot of different components here. Again, this is gonna fit all your major makes and models of trucks. I think there's one conflict maybe with the Tacoma because they have those built-in bed rails, or if you have the Ram box, it's probably not gonna work in there either if you have those built-in mounting tracks, just because there's gonna be some conflict with the way that it needs to mount to the bed rail. Now, if you're looking for this product, or maybe you're looking for a heavier duty truck rack, or some of the WeatherGuard truck boxes, or whatever you may need for your truck or van to get it ready for work, we've got it at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.